Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Turner Mobile Detailing. I wanted to take a few minutes to make a quick tip video when you're cleaning your wheels, more specifically when you're rinsing them off. So any one of you who are using a pressure washer to clean your car and clean your wheels, here's a little advice. When you're spraying your wheel down, notice that the suds love to stick inside the lug nut wells. And also, notice what happens when I try to blow it out with the pressure washer. Now I got most of it out, but most of it sprayed all over me too. So a quick tip is to just simply take off your orifice or your nozzle and spray them down at low pressure. Not only does this get all the suds and the dirt out of the lug nut recesses quickly and efficiently, as you're allowing more water flow through the end of the pressure washer, but it also prevents all that blowback from getting all over you and all up in your face. See, the pressure washer, while it increases the pressure of the water, it does that by limiting the amount of water that flows through it, thus increasing the pressure. So when you alleviate that, you allow more water flow and a more gentle water flow to get inside your lug nut wheels. And this tip also works for more intricate wheels designs than this is, such as wheel designs that have a lot of spokes or a lot of recesses inside the wheel spokes. Basically any kind of wheel that when you spray it, the water can spray back at you. This alleviates that issue. And then after you're done, quickly just reattach your pressure washer tip and carry on. So I hope this tip was helpful for you. If it was, please hit that like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future auto detailing content. As always, I'm Seth with Turner Mobile Detailing, and we'll see you in the next video.